The writer Albert Schweitzer said, "The purpose of human life is to serve and to show companionship and the will to help others. To represent the value of humanity, I would like to call Isna Irfan."
Assalamu alaikum to the respected principal, teachers, and my dear audience. My name is Isna Irfan and I am from grade 10. I am here today to speak a few words about humanity. Humanity is the quality of kindness, mercy, and sympathy in human beings. Humanity is trying to understand others and realize their problems with their own eyes. Humanity is also means loving for others and helping the needy people. It also means caring and loving the plants and the animals. My dear audience, every religion in the world tells about humanity. Humanity is the reason we all are what we are today. People who works for humanity are the happiest ones. दर्दे दिल के वास्ते पैदा किया इंसान को, दर्दे दिल के वास्ते पैदा किया इंसान को, वरना ताद के लिए कुछ कम ना थे करो बयां. My dear audience, no matter which religion we belong to, we are humans first. We don't need to be very rich to serve humanity. A small act of kindness to someone in trouble will be of great help. Helping the poor, needy, and the old is one of the greatest humanity indeed a person can do. My dear audience, just enjoying life by traveling, by shopping, and etc. will not be meaningful. Real essence to life come when we devote our life for others and help for others. At this point, I would like to mention the words of Gandhi. Gandhi once said, "You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is an ocean. If few drops of ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. करो मेहरबानी तुम अहले ज़मीं पर, करो मेहरबानी तुम अहले ज़मीं पर, खुदा मेहरबान होगा अर्शे बरी पर." With this, I end my speech. Thank you for hearing me so passionately. Thank you.